Hello students, today I'm going to run through how to start your own Google Meets and how to invite some of your friends or me to them. So as you've probably found out already, in Google Classroom I can just post a link if I'm hosting a Google Meet and anyone can join. We had a few people join from my Avid class yesterday. So I'm going to show you how to make your own meetings that you can set up with your friends if you want to study or just hang out together. So you click here, you can do join. You got to title it something, so we'll do Google Meet video. And then it'll bring you to this menu while it loads. You can click this button, which can mute or unmute your mic when you enter the room. I usually mute it before I go in just in case. And this can turn your video on or your video off. So a couple other features here is you can present your screen and it'll show whatever is on your computer at the time rather than your face. So if we join here, I'll show you how to invite some people. You can hit this button, copy joining info, and then you can send that out to anybody or post it to them in an email or in Google Hangout. All they do is click on it and then they can join. Otherwise, you can hit add people and you can invite specific people based on their email or their name. So like if I want to invite Miss White, I could just um, type in her name, or since she's first here, or if I wanted to invite like Mr. Fitzpatrick, you start typing their name, they pop up, click on his name, and it'll send him an invite. So another feature, I wanted to turn off my camera right now. So another feature I wanted to show you was this thing called grid view. So when you have more than 4 people in here, it'll switch its layout so that only the person talking can be seen. But this add-on or extension will make it so everybody shows up on the same screen no matter how many people you have. So what you do to get that is you'll click a new tab, type in Google Meet Grid View, and it should be the first thing that pops up. It'll look something like this, and there'll be an add extension button. Click on that and it'll do all the rest for you. And then if you get a bunch of people, kind of like this example picture, it'll show them in a grid view like this instead of just only the person who's talking. All right, so that is that. I'm going to close out of Google Meet. So another thing I wanted to show you is Google Hangouts. So Google Hangouts are normally in your Gmail, but this is just a little better way to do it. So if you search Google Hangouts in the App Store, or the Chrome Store, sorry, you can find something like this, and you again can add it to Chrome. So I have mine up here. It'll be up here. You can click on it, open it up, and it'll have your conversations kind of in a more IM format. So if I wanted to message somebody, so we'll go with, we'll do Mr. Clark. I know it already is on the left, but you just search their name and you're good to go. All right, so that is all I wanted to show you. Just a couple tips, tricks and tips for kind of how this online learning can be used with you and your friends and how to contact me better. So if you have any other questions about it, let me know. Otherwise, if you already know how to do this stuff, just ignore it.